This is Nimitz-class aircraft carriers. The Nimitz-class aircraft carriers are among the most powerful and longest-serving warships in naval history. Designed and operated by the United States Navy, they represent a cornerstone of American sea power and global military presence. Named after Admiral Chester W. Nimitz, the commander of the U.S. Pacific Fleet during World War II, the first ship of this class, USS Nimitz, CVN 68, was commissioned in 1975. Over time, a total of 10 carriers were constructed in this class, each built by Newport News Shipbuilding, with the final one, USS George H.W. Bush, CVN 77, commissioned in 2009. These supercarriers have played a crucial role in maintaining U.S. dominance in naval aviation for nearly 5 decades. Each Nimitz-class carrier is massive in size, stretching approximately 1,092 feet in length and displacing over 100,000 tons when fully loaded. These floating cities accommodate around 5,000 personnel, including ship crew and air wing. The flight deck can support 60 to 90 aircraft, such as F/A-18 Super Hornets, EA-18G Growlers, E-2D Hawkeyes, and more recently, the F-35C Lightning II. Aircraft are launched using the CATOBAR system, catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery, which allows heavy jets to be launched from the deck using steam-powered catapults and arrested quickly during landings using wire arresting gear. One of the defining features of the Nimitz class is their nuclear propulsion. Each carrier is powered by 2 Westinghouse A4W pressurized water reactors, producing a combined output of 260,000 shaft horsepower. These reactors can run for 20 to 25 years without refueling, providing the ship with virtually unlimited range and operational endurance. This nuclear-powered design allows them to sustain long deployments across oceans without the need for fuel resupply, making them a critical component of the U.S. Navy's global rapid response capabilities. Carriers are technological marvels. Their advanced sensor and radar suites include the AN/SPEES 40D 3D air search radar, the AN/SPEECHU 9B fire control radar, and the AN/SLICON 32 electronic warfare system, which can detect, track, and jam enemy radar and communication signals. Integrated into the ship's self-defense system, SSDS, these systems enable the ship to automatically detect and engage incoming threats using a network response. For defense, the Nimitz-class ships carry an array of weapons including Phalanx CIWS close-in weapon system, a 20mm Gatling gun capable of firing 4,500 rounds per minute to shoot down incoming missiles in aircraft. They also carry RIM-7C Sparrow and RIM-116 RAM, Rolling Airframe Missile, surface-to-air missile systems, providing layered defensive coverage. Additionally, the AN/SLQ-25 Nixie tow decoy system helps counter incoming torpedoes by diverting their path away from the ship. Each Nimitz-class carrier represents a significant financial investment. The cost of constructing the earlier carriers in the class ranged from $4.5 billion to over $8.5 billion, depending on upgrades and inflation. Moreover, halfway through their service life, each ship undergoes a refueling and complex overhaul, RCOH, which includes reactor refueling, system upgrades, and modernization. This overhaul alone costs an estimated $2 to $2.5 billion, but it extends the carrier's service life by another 25 years. In terms of deployment, Nimitz-class carriers operate in key global regions, including the Western Pacific, Indian Ocean, Persian Gulf, and Mediterranean Sea. Ships like USS Ronald Reagan are forward deployed in Japan, while others such as USS Carl Vinson, USS Abraham Lincoln, and USS Nimitz rotate through missions involving deterrence, disaster relief, and direct combat support. These carriers serve as mobile air bases capable of delivering precise air power anywhere on the globe, often acting as the first U.S. military presence in crisis zones. The Nimitz class is now gradually being replaced by the newer Gerald R. Ford class carriers, which feature enhanced technologies like EMALS, electromagnetic aircraft launch system, advanced arresting gear, AAG, reduced crew requirements, and improved radar systems. However, the Nimitz class will remain in service until the mid-2030s, with some units already scheduled for decommissioning. Still, their legacy as the dominant supercarriers of the post-Cold War era remains unmatched. In conclusion, the Nimitz-class aircraft carriers are not just warships. They are mobile fortresses, engineering masterpieces, and symbols of American military strength. Their combination of nuclear power, cutting-edge electronics, unmatched air capabilities, and global reach has allowed them to serve in every major conflict and humanitarian mission for nearly half a century. As long as they sail, they will remain a symbol of deterrence, dominance, and rapid military projection, unmatched by any other naval force on Earth.